gang, it's gimme time! Things I have ordered are starting to arrive. From Deals by Blue, an eBay seller who I placed the order just 2 days ago. There it is. Can you read that? Dicam. Yes, kiddies, it really does exist. The Dicam Dabber. Deals by Blue, an eBay seller. The Dicam Steel Blue felt tip applicator. It looks more like a Absorbing Junior applicator to me, but it should go on real nice. I can go back to using it like Mount Diablo High School was still paying for my Dicam. Slather it on everything. If I have some ball bearings to work on one of these days. Oh. Ooh. Okay. In my adjustable hand wheel collar project, part of it is I wanted to make a 100 division hand wheel for the cross slide of my lathe. You shut up, you're irritating. The bullet. When it's not getting the signal, it goes buzz. Sounds like a rotary converter, but not as useful. No, it's as irritating as a rotary converter, but not as useful. Yeah, that's it. Anyway, I'm banging my head against the wall, figuring out how I'm going to cut 3.6 degrees on my rotary table to do the handles. My wife surprised me. Genuine shear line part. Part number 3410. It's a metric, a little oversized, but that's okay. I don't like my little oversized. And bang, 100 graduations. This one, when I cut the adjustable collar for, all I gotta do is cut 10. Yeah. I've already got the 100 here. I just need the 10 with numbers that I can put where I want the 0 to be. Let's look at the price. $21.80. Wow, that, I mean, 21 bucks and 80 cents. Yes. Why make something that you can buy for 21 bucks? Don't reinvent the wheel. Just cut a new tread pattern. Addendum. oversized metric hand wheel came from Mike's Wood and Metal Tools. Mike Schneider, 1512 East Edinger Avenue, Suite D, Santa Ana, California. Ordered this. Just come like boom. Priority mail. I've bought from Mike before, so I recommend him. He's quick, cheap, honest. Isn't that what you want?